Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to manage community alerts on the application of Reddit. You will go to Reddit app. In this page, you will go to above to this window. This list you will click on settings. After that, you will go to account settings. Here in this page, you will click on manage notifications. After that, in this list, you will go down until you find here communities. Then this page you will find community alerts and you can manage it. You can, for example, turn on notifications or you can turn off. Here you can turn on like this frequent, you can turn on low, or you can just turn off. So please don't forget to support us.